In 1922, a farmer in Iowa began to hiccup and didn't stop for 68 years. Doctors tried everything, but his hiccups were unstoppable, only ending unexpectedly on their own. Just like this, whenever we get the hiccups, we try so many different things to get rid of them. We hold our breath, drink water upside down, and get our friends to scare us. But there is no instant cure. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, an organ under your lungs, spasms, and most cures are just ways to try and reset your breathing or distract your body. While some tricks might help in certain cases, they usually work just by chance. So the next time you get the hiccups, the best remedy is to let them run their course. Just be patient and know that eventually they'll go away on their own.